I had taken the speed platform during my residency itself. I watched all the speed videos. Then I was doing all the GTs or all the exam modules that we had in speed platform. That's fun.
I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical
Thank you,
Institute.
sir. Thank you so much.
Sreelakshmi PV for scoring a rank of CML 11 and AML 13 in Super Speciality of DM Neuroanesthesia. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Great. Doctor, can we know your brief background history from where you started till date? What all you have done?
Sir, my name is Sreelakshmi PV. I am from Kannur, Kerala. And then I did my UG from Adi Nagri Medical College, Mandya. And then MD I did from Calcutta National Medical College. At present, I'm working as a senior resident in Kannur Medical College.
I wish, you would have learned 2 more languages. One is
Yes, sir.
huh?
Yes,
And
sir.
and the other is Adi Shanchanagiri is AIMS, na?
From
AIMS.
Karnataka. Ah, yes. Yes, sir. I learned both Kannada and Bengali.
Bengali. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Very good, excellent. So 2 additional languages, it's great to practice. Excellent.
Thank you.
Why neuroanesthesia? Why the special interest for neuroanesthesia?
Sir, initially my interest was towards critical care medicine. Then later in residency, I thought that I felt interested more towards anesthesia itself. So I thought I'll do something better in anesthesia. Then in our college, sir, among the super speciality branches, we had more exposure towards neuro-OT. So that was the reason that I got interested to neuro.
Very nice. Great, doctor. Now, what all you did to achieve to get into neuroanesthesia of this rank?
Sir, I had taken the speed platform during my residency itself, but I did not have much time for preparation. Then actually, I could watch only few videos. Then during my for MD exam, we had some gap for the exam preparation. It was during that time I saw many videos. And then I had given the last Jan section, that Jan session of AIMS I had given, and I had got a rank of 38, but I did not get a seat. So I thought that I'll prepare again, like more exam oriented, and then I'll give a try. So then I took a 3 months gap, and then I watched all the speed videos. Then I read the textbooks, like Miller and Cottrell was the textbook I read. Then I was doing all the GTs or all the exam modules that we had in speed platform. That's fun.
Great. The number of questions you attended the exam?
Sir, I had attended all the questions.
Very good. Congratulations. 80 out of 80. I'm very happy for you. Now, what is the message that you want to give for the future aspirants of DM neuroanesthesia?
Sir, I feel like cracking the INI is much easier when compared to NEET because we have to focus only on one single subject. So if we are reading that subject very deeply, then it will be much easier. So for neuro, it is better that we read the Miller basic standard textbooks like Miller and Cottrell, and then also stick to one platform. Like I had taken speed and then I had seen all the videos. So that's how.
Great, doctor. Wonderful. Now, time to thank, and whom all you want to thank. You feel that they helped you from day 1 till date in your career.
I would like to thank my parents, my husband, my sister, my grandparents, and my in-laws. They had supported me from the very beginning of my career. And then also all my teachers and mentors. And then my friends and my co-PGTs who made my residency a memorable one. So all of them. So. And the speed faculty for sure.
Very nice. Very nice. Full of heartfulness and gratitude. And full of very good, excellent. So once again, we wish you all the very best and all the success for a great, wonderful, and amazing and a fabulous career as a neuroanaesthetist of DM.
Thank you so much.
Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you.